In this video, we're going to show you how you add a device, aka sensor. Before we start, please make sure you checked and followed all the steps on our site readiness instruction. Okay, here we go. On the main screen in the app, click the plus icon and then Add Device. Now you choose your machine. If you have not set a machine yet, please do so before continuing here. After selecting the respective machine, we will connect your sensor. Follow these two steps. Once the status button on the sensor blinks blue or has a stable blue light, click Next step. Select the respective device. Make sure you choose the correct one by checking the serial number on top of the sensor device. Allow pairing. Click Next. Now choose with which network you want to connect the sensor with. Enter the Wi-Fi password. And then click Next. The next steps will be automatically checked and registered. Click Next. After successfully registering, you will be directed back to the main screen in the app. Your new machine and device will show up in the overview.